So in this video, we're going to be talking about Tesla and Tesla being a $10 trillion company. So solving the money problem, made a video not too long ago. I believe it is this one that I watched. He called Tesla in 10 years will be a $10 trillion company. He's saying that the robo-taxi network and the efficiency that Tesla will receive, they will get a 40% gross margin, and the company will be valued at 10 trillion dollars in the future. I think, this is my opinion, but I think he's just so, like, he's just trying to convince himself to never ever sell Tesla stock and to just keep buying more and more and more. It could work out. Tesla could be a $10 trillion company, but it's tough, because what would that, like, okay, so if Tesla was a $10 trillion company, what would Apple be? $9 trillion company? What would Microsoft be? $9 trillion company? So, these three companies are valued at $30 trillion. I don't even think that the entire stock market right now is worth 10 like $30 trillion, maybe like $20 trillion. I don't know, but Apple, like, I remember in 2018 when Apple, I was like, so shocked that Apple broke $1 trillion. Now they're sitting at $2.17 trillion. In my opinion, the stock market is in a huge bubble, and I think that the stock market is bound to crash, and then maybe one day it'll recover, and Apple will be a $2 trillion company again. But this is not, I honestly think the market is ridiculous, and Tesla being a $10 trillion is like valued 5 times more than Apple right now, and Apple has a PE ratio of 29.20. I just don't, like, in my opinion, I don't really understand where this money is coming from. Maybe it's all that printing is getting funneled into making Apple valued at 2.17 trillion, and then Microsoft being 1.94 trillion, Google like 1.6, Facebook almost a trillion, and there's probably other companies out there that I can't think of that is in the trillion. Amazon's like 1.5 trillion, I believe. Amazon 1.72 trillion. So if Tesla is $10 trillion, the market would be ridiculous. It's just so ridiculous. Where's this money coming from? It just makes no sense to me. It makes no logic to me in my mind, unless it's like we're in super hyperinflation, and like a milk costs you $1,000, then yeah, sure, why not? Like $10 trillion, sure. So I mean, yeah, if super hyperinflation happened, then yeah, I can see Tesla being 10 trillion, Apple being 15 trillion, Amazon being $17 trillion. I don't know. It's ridiculous to think about, but it's always possible, but it's just ridiculous, because that means the market is going a lot higher than what it is right now, and it's never going to crash. Like, never ever going to crash. Just keep going higher and higher and higher, and just never ever ever crash, because of all the printing the Fed is doing. Anyways, that is it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day.